So you're going to upgrade your suspension and fix the sagging, vibration, and body roll on your vehicle. Well, you've got options. This video will give you an idea of what makes SumoSprings different from airbags and other bump stop replacements. Hi, I'm Adam, Chief Commercial Officer at SumoSprings International, and I'm going to explain the key differences between our SumoSprings suspension solution and other options like an upgraded bump stop or airbags. So these are SumoSprings. They're not rubber and they're not airbags. They're handmade from a micro-cellular polyurethane here in the United States, and they never require any lines, compressors, or maintenance. They also come with a lifetime warranty. Because they're not solid rubber or a rubber bladder filled with air, they perform differently. Like most alternatives, they install in the same place as the bump stop that comes on your vehicle. SumoSprings are a progressive spring that's designed to come into contact much sooner, providing load support, reducing body roll, stopping rear end sag, and taking vibration out of the chassis. We manufacture 3 colors or densities of our SumoSprings: blue, black, and yellow. Having multiple densities allow you to really pick the support that you need for your vehicle and your situation. So first, let's take a look at airbags and SumoSprings side by side. So airbags are an impressive solution, really, for their ability to level heavy loads and provide support. Think of diesel motorhomes, semi-trucks. They really shine in these applications. Some of the things to remember about airbags. First, they essentially replace your vehicle suspension, and when you're riding on airbags, they render your factory suspension a paperweight. Second, they restrict the vertical travel on your vehicle. Stretching them can cause damage or leaks. Another thing to consider is the need to adjust the PSI in the airbags based on your current load, adding or bleeding air. To do that, you'll need to run air lines. You might need an onboard compressor to avoid the hassle of filling it otherwise. All that equates to ongoing maintenance without solving for unloaded ride comfort. SumoSprings work in concert with your factory suspension, and they don't require lines, air, compressors, or any kind of maintenance. Our Solo and Rebel SumoSpring designs provide load capacity and support while allowing for unrestricted vertical travel. If you've seen our torture test video, you know they're virtually indestructible and they carry a lifetime warranty. Now let's look at a more common bump stop upgrade and SumoSprings side by side. There's some decent bump stop replacements, but most of them are made from rubber or a rubber composite. They do particularly well in cold temperatures. Some of the things to remember about rubber bump stop replacements: first, rubber is really not progressive. It's linear in nature, meaning when it comes into contact, it's a harsh engagement. It pushes back hard right from the beginning of the compression, which is really why they work well in heavy applications, but you're gonna feel them if you're unloaded. With these rubber alternatives, you're likely gonna feel every jar in the road as it makes contact with the frame. SumoSprings aren't made from rubber. They are a progressive spring with a very soft, almost unnoticed initial engagement. And what that means is that the more weight is added, the harder they get and the more they push back. And they provide the support and control that you need with minimal impact to your factory ride when unloaded. I hope this video helps clarify the main differences between SumoSprings and some of the alternative suspension solutions on the market. Be on the lookout for more videos in this learning series as we answer more of your questions. And as always, we encourage you to reach out, call us, chat on our website, or reach out to us on social media with any questions.